Welcome to Buster, ADV biker, your go-to channel for thrilling motorcycle adventures, epic off-road journeys, and tips for life on two wheels. Whether it's tackling rugged trails, scenic rides across stunning landscapes, or sharing the gear and insights to fuel your passion for adventure, we've got you covered. Hit the road with Buster, ADV biker, and let's chase rising together. Subscribe now and ride the adventure.
Hello YouTube, how's it going? Buster here, adventure biker. So that's the ABR done. I didn't film kinda round about the ABR. All I did was film on my way in. There'll be plenty of videos on YouTube for that. So yeah, we'll take you out to Wrigley, or Ragley, whatever you want to call it. I say Wrigley, but I think it's actually Ragley. Show you my pup there. So this is the grounds of Ragley Hall. Place is massive, massive. So yeah, I'm just, the plan was for me and Scottish Biker Abroad to leave this morning and go for a run. But he was talking about it yesterday, and he'd been pretty much out the door for 8 days. The heat here was fucking immense. Friday and Saturday, so we're knackered. So we decided to get up. He's going to go his way, I'm going to go mine. I've not decided what I'm doing, if I'm just going straight up back up home, or if I'm going to do a wee detour. I don't know. But yeah, I've got these red bags that are attached to my bike are actually my old boots, because I bought a new set. So yeah, going kinda slow here. We're going to go mental. Road's gravelly. So it was, all in all, it was a great weekend. That camera's probably bouncing about like mental. It was a great weekend. Got to meet up with quite a few YouTubers. It was a great weekend. I got offered a trail as well, but I kinda wasn't feeling it. I wasn't really feeling doing the trail, to be fair. So, off the back of the trail, I got offered the trail ticket. I've decided what I'm doing next year. So I'm going to get a van. I'm going to get another bike just for trails, and I'm going to go there next year with a van, trails, and a big tent. So yeah, it was a good weekend. Great weekend. If you're into adventure biking, definitely a nice. I need to fix that, that's annoying me. It's definitely a great weekend. It's busy, and I mean really busy. And the ground's massive. Ground's absolutely massive. you don't realise how big it is until you start walking about. Spoke to the guys from MOTO when I was there as well about the ADV2s. I'm going to order them. I'm going to go back, I think they're more a 70-30 tyre. Got myself a wee keyring, which you can't really see there, which is actually my back tyre I have just now. I'm burnt, and I mean I'm burnt. So we jumped on the bikes in the Worcester, and I know this area, I used to work down here. So went in the Worcester, got some sun cream, which I should have brought with me, knowing what it was like when I was at Luxembourg and stuff like that. Yeah, and came back, sorted ourselves out, broke down a wee bit in the tent, so all was left last night was just my tent. Yeah, and went back out, a couple of beers, met up with Haggis Whisperer, John Die Hard McLean and Al the Biker. Music's great, big massive stand. Yeah, I called it an early night last night because we knew we'd be getting up. We went up and out before everybody else starts leaving because it's going to end up mayhem. Because I think there's only one exit. So we wanted to be up and away before everybody else, but don't get me wrong, there was a lot of people. There was a lot of people leaving earlier than that, like 1 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock in the morning, and I got up at 4:45 and there was a couple of people leaving. I left there at 5:30 or whatever time it was. Yeah, but there's still loads of people kept mulling about and stuff. So. Well, I'm 5 hours for here. My brother's got, I think he said he's got 8 hours. So that's, I don't know if that's 8 including the boat or 8 just 8. I don't know. I didn't actually realise Ragley Hall was so close to Worcester and Droitwich. Didn't know that. Bromsgrove. Well, I'm going to find myself, try to find somebody to coffee, I think. I brought my burner with me, but I didn't really use it. There was free coffee at the MOTO put free coffee stalls. Oh, there's a McDonald's, look at that. I'm there for a coffee. Hey YouTube, how's it going? Buster here, an adventure biker. So, that's me nearly home. I've come off the motorway. Coming through Les Mahego. Squeaking coming from somewhere. I didn't have before. Oh, it's my rack thing. Bounced a bit. So yeah, that's me nearly home. I'm about 35 minutes away. I'm off the motorway, should get home for 10 to 12. It was actually no bad run up the road actually. But we were to say, if you've never been to the ABR before, we're talking to a couple of other guys. It's not like any other festival or bike rally. The place is kept immaculate, and I mean immaculate. So obviously the bands and stuff are on through the day, and before anybody gets back to where the bar and the food thing is, there's a team of people clean the whole field up. Toilets are cleaned pretty much all the time. I actually think they've got a cleaner pair bank of toilets that just stands there all day, and all he does, or him or her does, is clean the toilets. That's it, and the shower blocks. So it's not like any other festival where the toilets are manky. No, not this place. Adventure biker rider, eh? Yeah, definitely a great weekend, but I'm not tired myself. I'd kind of gave myself a day off to kind of recover anyway, but it looks like I've got 2 days off. I'll go back to work until Wednesday, so I'll go back to work till Wednesday. My bike seemed to have got more stickers put on it. I've obviously got the ABR one on the front. That lets you get in and out, so if you leave, you see your sticker. If you're walking about, you've got a band. I've got my Honda Owners Club sticker because I'm now part of the Honda Owners Club. What are you doing? Jesus Christ. Yeah, so I'm part of the Honda Owners Club now. I've got that sticker, one on my panniers, one on my screen. Fucking a day, man. Yeah, so fair few stickers now you're collected. I actually need to find John McLean's actually, because I don't know where I've done with it. I think it may be in my back jean pocket, I think. I wish I took my stickers with me. Quite a few people are asking about my YouTube channel. I never took any stickers with me. So there you go, back to the valley, the Irvine Valley. So it was a great weekend, nice catching up with some of the guys, definitely recommend it. Thanks again to my Moto for helping me out get my boots. Go and check out the website, Facebook pages, all the socials. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe and share, and remember, take life one mile at a time. Catch you later.